Ovde, pa и не само ovde, се зборува за руско влияние врз политичката елита во Грција, но и врз медиумите и јавното мислење во Грција, во насока да се радикализира грчката позиција и да нема решение за прашањето за името. Вие препознавате таков тип на руски влијанија во Грција?
It's difficult to know exactly the empirics of it. I have a hunch that it's happening. Not necessarily that there is a big plan behind it, but those political forces who would advocate for a closer and more intensive relations with Russia were behind the mobilization, especially in northern Greece, against the solution. But such an influence I see also here. I know that there is a new party that is pro-Russian and is against the resolution of the name dispute, and I see in social media and other media a lot of pro-Russian voices that are speaking against an agreement with Greece. So we have this very paradoxical situation. Friends of Russia or people who want to be closer to Russia are working both in Greece and in your country against an agreement. I mean, Russia has a spoiler role in the region, we know that for sure, but that should put a lot of our citizens in both countries into having second thoughts about what's the game behind it here and who is to win or who is gaining out of the continuation and perpetuation of the dispute.